That looked terrible, but it's an easy fix. If your footage looks like this, here's how to fix it in seconds. This is what jerky footage looks like, and this is what you're aiming for. Same drone, same flight, completely different results. Most of the time, it comes down to one thing: your shutter speed is too fast. That means there's no natural motion blur, and that's what makes it look so choppy. Here's the fix, and it takes seconds. Set your frame rate, then set your shutter speed to double that number. Then adjust your exposure using ND filters. In the real world, it's not always perfect. If you're flying high with very little movement, you may not notice it so much. And in typical UK conditions, especially wind, sometimes you'll need to compromise. But as a rule, this will fix it most of the time. If you want the full breakdown of this, I've covered the 180-degree rule and the ND filters in separate videos. So if your footage looks jerky, check your shutter speed. It's normally the reason. Get it right, and your footage instantly looks more cinematic. And once you've got that dialed in, everything else becomes a lot easier. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.